In this quick tutorial, learn how to find your Bitcoin address in Best Wallet. Your Bitcoin address can be used to receive BTC tokens, as well as check your wallet on a blockchain explorer, or share it with Best Wallet's support team. Every multi-chain wallet in Best Wallet has a different address for different blockchains, meaning your Bitcoin address is not the same as your Ethereum address. Here's how to find the right one. First, open Best Wallet and select the wallet you want the Bitcoin address for. Remember, only your multi-chain wallets support Bitcoin. On the home screen, tap the Receive button. Then tap the Chain tab and choose Bitcoin. Each blockchain type has its own unique address, and using the wrong one can lead to failed transactions or lost funds. Once you've selected Bitcoin, you'll see your address as both a QR code and a long string of characters. You can copy it to your clipboard or scan the QR code from another device. And that's it. That's how to find your Bitcoin address in Best Wallet.